Hi, in this video, I'll be giving you a quick introduction to the Generative AI for Business Tools course, what this course is all about, and what this playlist is all about. So I'm doing a 30-hour course at a college here in Delhi, where across the 30 years, we'll try to focus on generative AI and its impact and use cases across a variety of different use cases and tools. So all the LLMs, chat LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, plus working on developing solutions, learning how to use AI for Excel, etc. I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. So this is supposed to be a 30-hour 10-week course, right? Where we will cover industry relevant reports and case studies, understand how different business functions are able to implement generative AI, use generative AI, and I'll try to cover use cases from the trainings that we at Havisham Consulting have done for a variety of different clients. These are the set of topics that we had decided to cover in this workshop, starting from week 1, where we just introduce the applications, understand what generative AI is, the key topics, key terms. Then week 2, 3 is more focused on analysis, visualization, automation through a variety of different tools. The structure of this course is interactive lectures, hands-on exercises, group discussions and activities and assignments, and projects for the students. The students are expected to, actively participate, submit all the assignments on time, and complete all the projects on time as well. That is the basic expectation from the students. Everything else will be taken care by me. These are the set of tools that we will be covering. Obviously, through the course of the workshop, we've already covered a lot of different tools. At the time of the recording, I'm already at the 27-hour mark out of the 30 hours. So I'm just recording this as an introduction to the playlist. So these are all the tools that we have covered, understood all their use cases, functionalities, features. And that's a quick intro about myself, my profile. I'm a certified trainer in Excel, Power BI data analyst. I have done 150 plus workshops across a variety of different clients. I have approximately 375 subscribers on this channel that you're watching, a collective view of 50,000 views approximately. And my area of expertise is in Excel, Power BI, Tableau, using generative AI, PowerPoint, Python, SQL, and VBA. The playlist that you have in this, that you're currently in, is nothing but recap of what I have covered across the 30 hours, right? This was supposed to be a helpful supplementary content for the students as well. And hence I decided to put it on YouTube, because if anyone else also wants to learn from this, they can go ahead and learn as well. That's about it. This was a quick introduction to the playlist. Thank you.